Good evening. Update lang do sa project. Ito na yung main system. Ito yung ating IR sensor receiver. Ito yung ating servo motor na magiging door stopper. Tapos as discussed with Ryu, gumamit tayo ng separate battery pack para sa servo motor kasi hindi kinakaya kapag dito mo rin kukuhanin yung supply ng motor kasi medyo mataas yung current na kailangan nito. Okay, so this one is for the servo motor, this one is for the control system. Okay, so to test the functionality, so yung 2 is for enable, 1 is for disable. So when I press 2, dapat magkaroon ng 45-degree movement yung servo motor. So let's test. So ayun, nag-move siya ng 45 degree. So when we press disable, dapat bumalik siya sa 0 degree. So ayun po. So pa 45 degrees, 0 degrees. So that's all po. So what nga pala yung para hindi ma-discharge yung ating power, so meron naman switch button itong battery. So kapag di natin gagamitin, is pwede natin i-off po. Okay po. So that's all lang po. So pwede na to i-ship since done na po. Thank you.